Anyway, now I myself.
And the water doesn't spray out.
Look up this water blow.
Wet. Look at it. Alright, so we've been sitting in our vehicle from about 6 o'clock. It is now 6:42. We can't go either forward or behind. This is what happened since we got here. That debris. So if you want to go down the street, you have to go through where you see that bus going. That's somebody's property to get down the road. Alright, let's go this way. People have our slippers and it's a bad idea. Very bad idea. So all these vehicles just returning back. Been here. I'm trying to get to the airport. That guy that just turned worked at the airport. Oh my god. Look at this road. It's chilly out here. There is a house right here. That woman had to come out of the house because she's flooded out. Oh my gosh, it's cold.
Morning.
Morning. Oh. So guys, look at this. This is Cayman right now. This is, oh shoot, I can't go no further because I'm not wearing shoes, I'm wearing slippers. But look what's happening. We can't go nowhere. Oh my goodness. Look at the water. So now the lady, I think she was living in the house, I'm not sure. So she had to come out in her car. Water went straight through. Oh. Or is this the house? Are this the house, babe? Yes, this is the house. She had to come out because it's very threatening. Look at that. Oh. So this is Cayman Brac. This morning. Oh, may I go back into the car? And look at them trees. May I go? You can't live here. Woo! No, may I go back in the car? Hey, look, I'm going back in the car. So everybody. Alright guys, this is Cayman Brac this morning. And we are down at Creek, I was told, because I'm not sure. Oh Jesus, I'm not sure of the name of the places here, but this is Creek. All right, so guys, I'm supposed to go to work this morning, right? Woo! Jesus, look at that. All right, so the sea is angry today, so everybody come. And everybody is turning back them trees. Funny coconut tree. Boy, come on. Never saw that here. Alright, so look there. This is a no-go. Boy, the time they can be a stone and sitting around this. So this is a no-go. And it is now 6:56.
Yeah, the way so that one there come out through.
Oh, in that tunnel place.
And then go up through. That's my
No guys, this is not safe at all. This is not safe.
And then go around and come out.
Touch there. That's the road.
I don't know how we say.
How would then go?
I already had a side.
On the other side, man.
Joanna say look like hurricane over there. You have to go. Me no know. Do like a cartoon and tiptoe with the tire.
If you want, I can't go down.
Wait now.
What say?
Them a blow you on. Right. So will he pass in the day? Say no. Oh, you go pass it so.
Follow him. Go through this and go.
Okay. Alright.
You have the situation this and one.
We didn't say sitting about jackass braces.
Trouble take you.
People? Show people yard.
Ah, yeah, no, no, no,
I must bounce door now look. Me secure. Back now. Them man.
What I run come stand up there and talk to she, you know.
Yeah, me I see the water come over.
Look, we don't see what I run come.
The jump when him jump.
I'm a
Me I tell
slide
you
off
say
the
could have
door.
drop out and hurt himself.
Yeah.
Better you turn up make you wet
Oh,
yo.
I'm sure right now, I'm start soaking wet.
Better I soak than you hurt yourself.
Yeah, slightly feeling in my back, you know. I'm a slide off of the door.
See we are go back up and them are go down.
Well,
The water come over more and more upon the road.
All I want in a red car. We have to tell the man to move out and the other guy tells you know,
good sense.
You know, see the place in town up there. The man said move out of the road, make me get to go up. If you want to stay down here, stay. So we can
Yeah, pass. So walking, come down. Go back up because you know how far the water will push over now.
I'm black
And
and
Kevin in under threat, you know. Because there is seaside.
Kevin. Oh, that
Yes,
also.
sir. Yeah.
because in a sea truck look like he shift.
Moving.
No,